This problem that we're going to do will demonstrate the basic if statement. The basic if asks the question, and if that question is true, it does what is indented after the if. If that question is false, it skips everything that is indented after it and goes on to the next line. So this simple little problem says we're going to write a Python program that will ask the user for a number, and it will say whether it is positive or whether it is not positive. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable, and we're going to call it input number. And since this is not explicitly stating whether it is an integer or a float, I am going to take it as a float so that we can ensure that if somebody accidentally types a period, our program is not going to crash because of that. So we're going to use the input statement, and we're going to ask, please enter a number. What we're going to do is we're going to assume that the number is positive. Then we're going to see if our assumption was correct. So we're going to ask if input number is less than 0, then we're going to change our is positive to not positive. And when we're done, we're going to say print with an F string our input number followed by our is positive and let's just leave it like that. So in order to run our program, don't forget on a Windows machine, you can press F5. On a Linux machine, you do function F5, or on any machine, we can go to run and hit run module, and we need to save it. And when it starts running, let's try it. 6. And it came back with 6 is positive. So what happened was as it came through, we assumed it was positive. The if was false, so therefore it skipped everything that's indented, which in this case is one line, and then it did the print statement. Let's run it again. I'm going to enter -6. And notice it came back with -6 is not positive. So how did that happen? We took our input, we assumed it was positive, the if statement came back as being true, which means -6 is less than 0, Therefore, the if statement did the line that was indented after it, and we then did our print statement.